This customer was having issues with their old tankless water heater, which needed to be replaced. The first step to removing the old heater is to turn off the water and gas to the house and remove the gas line and pipe from the old heater. Then the old water lines need to be cut. The front panel needs to be removed to remove the old wiring. With the wiring removed, the vent is next to be disconnected. With everything removed from the old heater, it can be removed. The old ducting is removed too. Outside the house, the old vent is removed. Then the new vent is fitted. Inside the house, the new ducting is fitted. Now the tankless unit can be prepared with Teflon tape and pipe dope. Then the isolation kits can be installed. Next, the gas piping is installed on the new unit. The new unit is held in place and marked for where it will be mounted. The marks are then drilled and the heater is then mounted. Now the new water lines, gas line, and vent are all attached. Then the unit is programmed and tested, and this install is complete. If you have a plumbing issue like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to call us at 678-403-1071.